Search and you will find a galaxy is called dash, Milky Way and Mandakini. For measuring large distances, dash is used as a unit. Light year. The speed of light is dash kilometer per second, 3 lakhs. There are about dash stars in a galaxy, 100 billion. The end stage of the sun will be dash, white dwarf. Stars are born out of dash clouds, interstellar. Milky Way is a dash galaxy, spiral. Stars are spheres of dash gas, hot. The masses of other stars are measured relative to the mass of the dash. Sun. Light takes dash to reach us from the sun, about 8 minutes, while it takes dash to reach us from the moon, about 1 second. The larger the mass of a star, the faster is its dash. Evolution. The number of fuels used in the life of a star depends on its dash. Mass. Who is telling lies? Light year is used to measure time. False. Light year is used to measure distance. End stage of a star depends on its initial mass. True. A star ends its life as a neutron star when the pressure of its electrons balances its gravity. False. A star ends its life as a neutron star when the pressure of its neutrons balances its gravity. Only light can emit from the black hole. False. Not even light can be emitted by a black hole. The sun will pass through the supergiant stage during its evolution. False. The sun will pass through the red giant stage during its evolution. The sun will end its life as a white dwarf. True. Answer the following question. How do stars form? There are huge clouds of gas and dust in the empty spaces between the stars in a galaxy. These clouds are called interstellar clouds. The size of an interstellar cloud is about a few light years. Why do stars evolve? The reason for the evolution of stars is the burning of fuel inside the cores of the stars and therefore the decrease in the amount of fuel. What are the three end stages of stars? Three end stages of stars are white dwarf, neutron star and black hole. Why was the name black hole given? When a star having initial mass larger than 25 times the mass of the sun reaches its end stage, its gravitational force and density increase exponentially. All nearby objects get attracted towards the star and nothing can come out of it, not even light. All incident light is absorbed by the star. We can probably see a very minute black hole at its place. Hence, the name is given as black hole. Which types of stars end their life as a neutron star? Stars having initial mass between 8 and 25 times the mass of the sun end up as neutron stars. When these stars pass through the supergiant stage, their size increases to 1000 times. Huge explosion that occurs in the last stage of these stars is very powerful and very high energy is given off. After the huge explosion, called a supernova explosion, their central portion contracts in size to about 10 km. In this stage, such stars are completely made up of neutrons and hence are called neutron stars. Describe white dwarfs. At the end of its evolution, the red giant stars explode and their outer gas envelope is thrown out. The inner part contracts and its size becomes similar to the size of the Earth. As the mass of the star is such higher than that of the Earth and the size is similar to that of the Earth, the density in the star becomes very high. In this state, the pressure due to the electrons in the star becomes independent of temperature and is able to balance the gravitational force forever. In this state, the star looks white and due to its small size, it is called a white dwarf. Can you recall what is a galaxy? A system of billions of stars, their planetary systems and interstellar clouds of gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction is called a galaxy. What are the different constituents of our solar system? The different constituents of our solar system are as follows. Sun as a star, 8 planets namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, of which Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up of rocks and minerals, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made up of gases. Natural satellites of some planets revolving around the respective planets. Asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter. Comets made up of ice, dust, and gases. Meteors and meteoroids. What are the major differences between a star and a planet? Nuclear atomic explosions regularly take place at the center of stars. This causes the discharge of heat and light. Hence, stars shine. Planets do not discharge any light. They are visible due to the light reflected by them. Stars are very big in size and massive relative to planets. Stars twinkle, planets do not. Stars are made up of hydrogen, helium, and other light elements. Planets are made up of solid, liquid, or gaseous substances or a combination thereof. What is a satellite? An astronomical object orbiting a planet is called a satellite. Which is the star nearest to us? The star nearest to us is the Sun.